Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica. So I was here right now at this moment as here, and I tried using my Airtel, my star card negana. Kati I was stuck. I had to make a payment to something I really wanted. Kati negana. So na installing ako cheaper one time back. Nenda banga after I deleted it. Nayenga account yange I remember it echaliyo, so nengamba let me use it, let me try it out and see. But all along it used to say that it is for sending money, and I'm not sending money to any Kenyan or any African country or Nigerian or stuff. Kati lero nengamba let me open it and see, manange to find they have Visa cards. The light has helped me a lot. Now I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Got see this thing. Well, guys, this is a random video. I'm so excited. That's why I have to make this video right now. I have to share it with you. Every exciting thing, every new thing that I love to use, I love to share it with you. But sometimes, I don't know if it has happened to you. If you're using the MasterCard, definitely waberamu issues Airtel or MasterCard. Kati, for example, they don't send the messages, by the way. That is the only problem. You try to make a transaction, no sanganga, they are not sending the message with the OTP. But please check this out. Continue and watch this video and install cheaper. I'm not being paid. This is not an advert. This is not cheaper. Does not even know me. Naye, I'm here to give you things that are going to help you cheaply. First of it all, when you're putting money, they don't charge. They don't charge you for putting any money. From your Airtel money to all MTN money, MTN mobile money, to the cheaper account, they don't charge you a thing. So that's why I want you guys to check it out. It is cheap, it is easy, they no transaction costs, and guys, this is really good. So check out how I'm doing the transaction, how I've gotten the Visa card, how the Visa card looks like, how the Visa card looks like, and it is even cute, it is easy, and it is instant. So check it out. Okay, OTP bajiweleza, your card got charged, and that Kati, we did the payment and everything. So I'm logging in to check sente bazijeko. Yes, mitwalo 10 jaffe bagitutedda. So that is how it is working. Very helpful, guys. Nze tebansasudde to tell you this. Naye mubiraba mu details. That is how it has gone, and it has worked, and it is working. So far it is my new sweetheart. So hope it helps. Alright guys, if you're done installing, then open it. Bobango installing bajja kusaba password, so you don't forget it. Take a password, you open yani login. So wano waggulu kuliko wallet nga bwolaba 0.0. So let's click and add some money. So add cash out, see the rates. So click on add. Katutekeko emitwalo 10 for instance. Continue, then select payment method, Airtel money, continue. Okay, kati era na Airtel balina okusaba password to continue with the transaction. But then take a more password ya Airtel. Yes, era kati butelevu zigenzeeko kuchipa message yiyo. Airtel money done. yes, zino wallet kati ndaba muziraba, it is now 100k. So okuziteeka wano ku kaadi nga bwolaba kuliko gumu 9, so tujja kuzijja eri tuziteeke ku wallet, then tuziteeke wano ku kaadi. So you click on add funds, mitwalo 10, how we've put the mitwalo 10 on the card. So add, as simple as that. Kati ku visa card yaffe kugenzeeko mitwalo 10, now it's 11 So with this osobola okusasula anything, those transactions, all what mulaba ka visa card nga kalungi, it is so nice, World Cup visa. So with this card okola transactions zonna nosasula nokola all in international transactions kubanga it's a visa card. Kati katugeze, I wanted to pay for something at non UAE, so let's log in non and see my card. Okay, the laser, don't judge, I like new things, I like new technology, so bangezaako to try all the new things that are, that I learn about. Kate, let's check out. We pay for it. Select the card. Then oteekemu details ziri eza card eri. Zonna details oziteekemu, don't forget anything. Bakusaba card ne bakusaba ne CVV, bakusaba card number ne CVV. Then era bajja kuweereza confirmation OTP. So place the order. And guys, that is how the visa card looks like. Ndoza mukategeddako. Don't be stuck. Musimanyi your bank bank has issues. Bank is Uganda. Really, I have an account in Centenary, in DFCU, and in which other thing I got that account in Imbarala. I even don't remember the bank, but they really have issues day and night, and I'm not sure of their costs and stuff and their long processes. So I always look for the cheaper things that help me instantly wherever I am, whether I'm abroad or anywhere. Kati, I hope this will help you. Use the code below. Use the code below in the description. I'll leave it there to install, just to be sure you're installing the same thing that I have. Okay, install it, register, and let it help you. Wala guys, I don't know, mukama yamanyi chalimpa naye, use it right away. Use it right away and install this thing. It is going to help you guys out. I am 100% sure this is a lifesaver. That's why forgive my excitement. But this is a lifesaver, guys. Check it out. Try it out. Vacuum Airtel or MasterCard. It gets issues sometimes, though it is also good, but it had issues. That's why I was looking for other options, and I found cheaper. So install it. Use the code below to make sure muine kintu kimu n'ekyange kyenjogerako, and get that visa. Make sure when you're registering oteekemu Uganda as your location. Bajja kuleetera visa card ng'oteekako sente n'osasula all those payments zi Alibaba zonna n'osasula buli kimu kyonna n'okola international transactions using that visa card. It is very cute. Kuliko ka World Cup thing ndoza mukalabye kaleba sweet. Bye. Thank you for loving me. Continue to subscribe and share. Let's grow big. Bojja wano and you watch my video and you don't subscribe, munange simanyo olumpalanira bwerere. Kubanga I'm here to save you guys. So I'm here to share some useful knowledge with us. So thank you very much. Bye. Musule bulungi.